There are a plethora of communities out there today. Most of them put out good content. Some of them put out greater content. But all of them are technically your competitors. Or are they? Hi guys. In this video of Community Building 101, I'll be talking about something that gives all of us an adrenaline rush: competition. I'm sure there are dozens of communities that are similar to yours, but does that mean you should go against them in the race for community growth? Not necessarily. I have an interesting insight to share here. Content creators figured out something very smart about the content space. You can grow by collaborating with others rather than constantly battling them, even with other creators in the exact same niche. The problem with brand communities is that many of them are venture-backed tech companies, and their CEOs often have competitiveness seeping out of every pore. For them, it's as much about denying others a win as it is about racking up their own wins. This attitude absolutely does not work with content and community. Building collaborative communities is really important, so don't let your competitive spirit prevent you from doing that. If you're a gamer, you've probably heard of Valorant. If not, then it's essentially an online multiplayer video game. Our community once played a Valorant match with people who originally were from another community. The match had thousands of viewers, and there was a lot of cross-pollination between two communities that were in the same space and the same niche. Since people can join multiple communities and want to be a part of all the best ones, events like these are great ways to collaborate without explicitly putting an announcement like,
"Go join the other community XYZ."
The concept of using a game as a bonding tool between two communities was stolen from the way some content creators collaborate and cross-pollinate audiences. If you want your community to start collaborating with each other, I've got a game plan for you. It's honestly quite simple and easy to follow. First, find a list of communities you'd like to collaborate with. Then reach out to them and propose to collaborate. Not all of them will reply, so find other channels in. In my experience, Twitter DMs work the best. Third, find an innovative way to collaborate. Maybe multiplayer games that are live streamed, podcasts, a joint collection launch, or anything creative that works for you. And finally, make sure there's a clear CTA for the members of both communities to join the other one. Probably a reward too. When you worry about competing, you lose a lot of time which otherwise would have been spent on growth. On this note, change your outlook, befriend your competitors, and focus on your journey, not your rivals.